The Los Angeles County Department of Health Services experienced a serious data breach that exposed the personal and health information of thousands of their patients. This video is sponsored by Stonefly. More on that at the end of the video. The breach occurred after 23 employees at LA County Health Services fell victim to a targeted phishing attack. Hackers were able to gain access to these employees' email accounts by tricking them into clicking a link in a malicious email. Once they reached the inboxes, the attackers had access to a vast amount of sensitive patient data. Some of the information included names, dates of birth, home addresses, phone numbers, email addresses, medical record numbers, dates of treatment, and medical services received. The hackers also accessed details about patient medical conditions, test results, diagnoses, and medications. While social security numbers and financial data were not part of this breach, the accessible records still provided criminals with a highly sensitive trove of personally identifiable information and confidential health details on LA County residents. As the second largest public health system in the country, LA County Health Services serves over 1 million people each year, so the scale and potential impacts of this data exposure are immense. When the breach was discovered in late February, officials quickly took action to contain the situation. They disabled the compromised email accounts, reset devices, and isolated suspicious incoming emails. In accordance with data breach notification laws, LA County Health Services also reported the incident to both the Department of Health and Human Services and the California Department of Public Health. Patients whose information may have been involved were notified through mailed letters in early April. The notifications advised people to monitor their medical records and accounts for any abnormal activity. While the investigation found no evidence the data had been misused so far, the risk of identity theft and medical fraud remains a serious ongoing concern for those impacted. Phishing continues to be one of the most prevalent and successful forms of cyber attack. With just a few clicks, hackers were able to gain a foothold and access some of the most private information for thousands of patients relying on county health services. This breach highlights how even a single vulnerable point can put an entire system at risk. Cybercriminals are constantly evolving their tactics, and it only takes one mistake to potentially put your security and privacy in jeopardy. That's why we've partnered with Stonefly, a leader in immutable and air-gapped backup and disaster recovery solutions, to offer a special promotion for our subscribers. Daily security subscribers can get a 100 terabytes air-gapped and immutable S3 object storage appliance for VMware cluster for just $8,995. Email sales at stonefly.com and mention Daily Security Review to claim this limited time offer. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more cybersecurity news. If you like the video, drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.